Assalamualaikum students. This video lecture is for pre-9th class physics chapter number 3 and today our topic is law of conservation of momentum. Students, we will start law of conservation of momentum with an example. For example, we have a balloon filled with air and we know that momentum is product of mass and velocity and air is inside the balloon, so both they make a system, air and balloon. So overall momentum of the system is zero because both of the things are at rest. When balloon is set free, air starts to move outside the balloon to conserve the momentum and this air gets a momentum when it comes out of the balloon, so it gets momentum. To conserve the momentum of the air, balloon starts to move in opposite direction. Clear? So after setting the balloon free, now again momentum of air and the balloon is zero because both of the things are moving in opposite direction. So before and after, momentum of the system is same. According to this example, momentum of an isolated system of two or more than two interacting bodies remains constant. Isolated system is a system which we will discuss after this example. For example, derivation. In derivation we have two bodies M1 and M2. M1 mass is less and M2 mass is more. So before collision, both of the bodies are moving in the same direction with velocity u1 and u2. Before collision, momentum of m1 is m1 u1 and momentum of m2 is m2 u2. So the total momentum before collision is m1 u1 plus m1 u2, and we know that velocity of m1 means u1 is greater than u2. So after some time, m1 mass having more velocity than m2, it will strike with the m2. So now they have collided. So after collision, velocity of m1 is changed, it becomes v1, and velocity of m2 is also changed, it becomes v2. So after collision, momentum of m1 becomes m1 v1 and momentum of m2 becomes m2 v2. According to law of conservation of momentum, before and after collision, momentum of the system remains constant or same. So according to law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 m2 u2, it is momentum before collision, and m1 v1 m2 v2 is momentum after collision. Clear? So in isolated system, a group of interacting bodies on which no external force is acting, means these two bodies were moving and this collided, m1 collided with m2, there was no external force. So this is law of conservation of momentum. Thank you.